Are you wondering whether it's the perfect time to buy or sell Tempest Therapeutics stock? Get ready to dive deep into the world of Tempest Therapeutics. We've got an exclusive analysis just for you, building upon our initial report published on our website on Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that can have a significant impact on your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool, powered by the revolutionary GPT-4 technology, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the immense power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Since October 13, 2023, our system has ranked Tempest Therapeutics as a buy candidate with an impressive score of 2.59. Now, brace yourself for some exciting news about the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an amazing gain of 60.71% since we first listed Tempest Therapeutics as a buy candidate just 4 days ago. That's an average return of 15.18% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Imagine this, a stock that's been on the rise, soaring high above the rest. But here's the catch, it's reached the upper part of its trend. Now, this might just be the perfect opportunity for short-term traders like you. Why? Well, history tells us that stocks often react and head back down towards the lower part of the trend. But wait, there's more. If this stock breaks through the top trend line at $7.20, buckle up because it could be a sign of an even stronger rise. Let's talk numbers. In the next 3 months, there's a potential for a whopping 36.45% change. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's a wide range. And you're right. It could be anywhere between -90.20% and 67.94%. But hey, risk and reward go hand in hand, right? Looking ahead to the next 12 months, things might not seem as optimistic. We're looking at a projected -8.18% change. However, don't let this discourage you. Remember, opportunities can come in all shapes and sizes. There's a potential return between -96.67% and 12.5%. So, if you're willing to take a chance, you could be looking at a price range of $0.195 to $6.58 after a year. Welcome back to our daily update for Tempest Therapeutics. Today's headline reads, a roller coaster ride for Tempest Therapeutics Inc. stock price, closing at $5.85 on Wednesday. Yesterday, the stock price of Tempest Therapeutics Inc. experienced a significant drop of -18.41%, going from $7.17 to $5.85. Throughout the trading day, the stock showed high volatility, fluctuating by 30.25% between a low of $5.62 and a high of $7.32. Although the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it still shows an impressive growth of 1891.15% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive indication. On the last trading day, the volume dropped by -47 million shares, while a total of 18 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $106.80 million. Let's take a broader look at the stock's performance. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $9, while the lowest was a mere $0.170. Currently, the price stands at a 35% difference, or $3.15, below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is also 96.68%, or $170.40, below the all-time high reached on July 16, 2019, when the price soared to $176.25. Hey there! Get ready to dive into the exciting world of Tempest Therapeutics. Hold on tight because we've got some amazing news for you. The Tempest Therapeutics Inc. stock is on fire. Both short and long-term moving averages are screaming buy signals, painting a positive picture for the stock. And that's not all. The relation between the two signals is giving us a general buy signal, with the short-term average soaring above the long-term average. If you're worried about corrections, don't be. The stock has some solid support from the lines at $4.97 and $1.33. However, if it breaks below these levels, it might be time to consider sell signals. But let's focus on the good stuff for now. Brace yourself for more good news. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also giving us a strong buy signal. It's like the stars are aligning for Tempest Therapeutics. Now, I have to be honest with you. There have been a few negative signals, but let's not dwell on them for too long. They might have some influence on the near short-term development, but we're confident that the future is bright for this stock. Just a heads up, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 17, 2023, and the stock has fallen by a staggering minus 18.41% since then. But don't worry, we believe this is just a temporary setback. We're expecting a rebound once a new bottom pivot is found. Oh, and here's a little bonus for you. The volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This actually reduces the overall risk because volume tends to follow price movements. So, it's a good sign. So, what are you waiting for? Get in on the action and ride the wave with Tempest Therapeutics. Looking for interesting signals? Well, here are a few you don't want to miss. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a strong buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, indicating a sell signal 2 days ago. It's important to pay attention to this. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that appeared 99 days ago. Isn't that intriguing? When it comes to short-term moving averages, we have another buy signal that occurred 7 days ago. Keep an eye on it. And guess what? The long-term moving average is also giving a buy signal, coincidentally 7 days ago. This could be significant. Now, let's explore the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It's indicating a buy signal that appeared 7 days ago. This is definitely worth considering. Shifting our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average provided a buy signal 7 days ago. Interesting, right? Similarly, the long-term moving average is also giving a buy signal 7 days ago. This could be a promising sign. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more intriguing, the relationship between the short and long moving averages shows another buy signal, this time 4 days ago. This might be worth investigating further. Ready for more signals? Head over to our page at StockInvest.us to discover a wealth of information. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Tempest Therapeutics. Brace yourself, because there's no safety net from accumulated volume below today's level. That means the stock may be in for a rough ride in the next couple of days. Brace yourself, because there's no safety net from accumulated volume below today's level. That means the stock may be in for a rough ride in the next couple of days. Brace yourself, because there's no safety net from accumulated volume below today's level. That means the stock may be in for a rough ride in the next couple of days. Brace yourself, because there's no safety net from accumulated volume below today's level. That means the stock may be in for a rough ride in the next couple of days. This stock is a wild one, with high volatility and an unpredictable nature. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Hold on tight, because in the past day alone, the stock has swung a whopping $1.70 between its high and low points, which amounts to a staggering 30.25% change. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. And if you think that's intense, hold on even tighter because over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of a mind-boggling 64.58%. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Brace yourself for some roller coaster-like movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band predicts a very large range for this stock, indicating very high risk. Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of trading and discuss some potential game-changing levels for Tempest Therapeutics. But before we dive into that, let's lay down the foundation by understanding some essential fundamental data. Picture this, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This magical ratio reveals a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Hold on tight. A negative P/E ratio means the company is either losing money or facing some serious challenges. Even seasoned companies go through rough patches, usually due to external factors. However, if the P/E ratio stays in the negative zone for too long, it could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, let's shift gears and explore the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023, scheduled for November 6th, 2023. Brace yourself. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.550. These numbers hold tremendous power and can greatly impact the stock prices. Welcome back, traders. Today, we're going to dive into some exciting day trading levels for Tempest Therapeutics. Picture this, the stock is on an upward trend, and we've identified the first resistance level at $6.74. If you're not currently invested, hold your horses. Wait for this level to be breached before jumping in. But if you're already in the game, this could be an ideal level for swing trading. Keep your eyes peeled. Now, here's a word of caution. We've noticed that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially take a sharp dive under certain circumstances. If you're a seasoned trader who knows how to navigate choppy waters, proceed with caution. But if you're new to the game, it might be wise to sit this one out. Safety first. Are you curious about the latest insider trades? Let's dive right in and uncover the exciting details. Hold on tight, because on October 11, 2023, Brady Stephen R. made a smart move by conducting an insider buy of a whopping 725,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. But wait, there's more. On the same day, Trojanowski Justin seized the opportunity and conducted an insider buy of 55,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. Talk about confidence. Now, let's talk about Whiting Samuel. On October 11, 2023, Whiting Samuel took a bold step and conducted an insider buy of 325,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. That's a significant move. Hold your breath, because Maestas Nicholas also joined the insider action. On October 11, 2023, Maestas Nicholas purchased 100,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. The insiders are certainly making waves. Let's rewind a bit. On June 15, 2023, Rob Michael made a strategic insider buy of 8,200 shares of stock option, right to buy. It's all about seizing the right opportunity. Now, here's the interesting part. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations reveal a positive insider power with a ratio of 98.916. That's a promising sign. And here's the big picture. In the last 100 trades, insiders collectively purchased an astounding 11,962,919 shares, showing their confidence in the company's future. Not a single share was sold. Now that's impressive. Hey there, investors. I've got an important update for you. We've analyzed the market and our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $5.52, a decrease of 5.64%. Now, let me tell you why this is crucial. This particular stock has incredibly high daily movements, which means it carries a significant amount of risk. But here's the thing, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just one day ago. Are you ready to discover a hidden gem in the stock market? Let's talk about Tempest Therapeutics Inc. and why it might be a great investment opportunity. Our analysis shows several short-term signals pointing towards a positive trend for this stock. And guess what? The current price seems undervalued. Get ready for Thursday, October 19th, when Tempest Therapeutics is expected to open up at $6.26, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Before you dive into the exciting world of trading, let's talk about an important aspect: risk. Trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it's crucial to be aware of this before making any investment decisions. We strongly recommend speaking with a financial advisor who can guide you through this thrilling journey. Now, let's discuss the role of information in your investment decisions. While StockInvest.us provides valuable insights, it's essential to remember that you should not solely rely on it. Consider it as a tool in your arsenal, but ultimately, the responsibility lies with you. Your investment choices are yours to make, and you are accountable for the outcomes. Welcome to StockInvest, where we unveil the current view of the stock market. We want to hear your thoughts. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates. Now, let's dive into the details and discover your target for this stock. Get ready for a successful trading experience and embrace the beauty of the day. Sending warm regards from our dedicated team here at StockInvest.